Come to the fourth transaction. In our fourth transaction also we can find out the three rules of accounts to be satisfied. The transaction is having three rules, two rules or one rule. That is the most important. And come to the fourth transaction, that is purchase goods from street. We can satisfy the three rules again: personal, real, nominal account. And come to the first one. The rule is and the important personal account. Personal account is relating to name of the person. We can identify the name of the person in our transaction. Purchase goods from street. So from street is nothing but the transaction is having a name. So we can take the street is relating to P account. P account is nothing but personal account. In our personal account, C goes to debit or credit. Again that we have to identify. We can take the two indication debit and credit. Now we have to remember the transaction is relating to the name of personal account. Again in our personal account we have two systems. First one debit system, credit system. In personal account we have to write the receivers. In personal account credit side we have to write giver. So from street is nothing but we are taking. So we are purchasing goods from street. From street is nothing but the street is giving. So we can call street is as a giver. So according to the personal account, giver is always credit side. We can indicate street is goes to credit. So one rule is completed. We can cancel the personal account. Come to the second rule, real account. Real account is relating to sales, cash, asset. In our transaction purchase goods, already C is completed. There is no sales, cash and asset. Again we have to cancel the real account. Come to the last rule, nominal account. Nominal account relating to expenses, purchase, payment, pay. These are all come under into our third rule, that is nominal account. We have the purchase. Purchase is nothing but it is part of expenses. Expenses are there in nominal account. And in nominal account we have to identify credit and debit system. Purchase is a expenses. Expenses are there in nominal account. So under the nominal account expenses are goes to debit or credit. That's the reason after the nominal account written debit and credit I will written here. So after that we can remember the nominal account system. Nominal account debit side expenses, nominal account credit side incomes. So the purchase is a expenses according to the nominal account. Expenses are debit side. So we can take purchase is debit. One credit is identified, but debit is also identified. So we can convert the transaction into entry, that is purchase account data 2. From whom we are purchasing? Street account. Fourth day transaction worth is 500. In debit column 500, in credit column also 500. And take the narration starts from B. Goods purchased from street. After the narration, give the underline to the entry and come to the fifth transaction. Again we have to remember the three rules of accounts. Fifth transaction, sales to Vidya. Take the examples again. You can identify the first one, personal account, sales to Vidya. Sales to Vidya is nothing but person. So person is always there in personal account. So we can take Vidya is goes to in our personal account. Again we have to identify the credit system and debit system. To Vidya is nothing but we are selling to Vidya. So to Vidya is nothing but she is the receiver. So we can take she is called as a receiver. We are identified three objectives. Vidya goes to personal account and then we can take the debit and credit system. third one is receiver, means she is the receiver or giver, that we have to identify. Vidya is receiving, so we can take it is debit system or credit system. So to Vidya is nothing but she is the receiver. According to the personal account, receiver is always there in debit side. So Vidya is goes to debit side. And come to the next one. Before that we have to cancel the rule of first one, personal account, and come to the second one, real account. Real account relating to sales, cash, asset. Here we have sales. So the sales is there in real account. In real account again we have to identify debit and credit. So in real account we have two conditions. Debit side comes in, credit side goes out. Sales means nothing but we are giving, means we are selling. Selling is nothing but something is goes from us. So the sales are going. So going is nothing but we can take it as goes out. So the three conditions are we are identified. The sales is goes to real account, debit system, credit system we have to take, and come to the last condition, it is goes to debit or credit. Sales is nothing but it is goes out. Goes out is relating to the real account, that will be in credit side. So the sales is in credit side. In transaction we have fulfilled rules of accounts and we are converted into the entry as debit system and credit system also we are identified. And come to the transaction will be converted into the entry as Vidya account data to Vidya account data to sales account. The worth of transaction is 1000. After the transaction, give the narration being sold goods to, not only goods, we can write as being sold to Vidya. The transaction is completed. Underline the narration. Come to the next transaction and the last transaction. Sixth one. Cash paid to Gayatri. Come to fulfill the rules. Personal account, real account, nominal account. Cash paid to Gayatri